Hi, you're watching ET Markets. Welcome to a brand new episode of IPO Talk, where we discuss all the latest IPOs in town and much more. I'm your host, Neha Vashisht Mahajan, and today we are going to discuss the IPO of Divine Hira Jewelers, which is an SME IPO. To discuss more on this, we have Mr. Neeraj Gulecha. He's the full-time director at Divine Hira. Thank you so much, Neeraj, for joining us today on ET Markets.
Thank you, Neha. Thank you so much.
So let's quickly kickstart our conversation for today. Let's start with Divine Hira and its core business operations. What do you want to add to that?
So, we are a well established gold jewelry company with legacy since 1984. So, our promoters started initially with silver articles in 1984. Then, gradually, 1997, we started catering small jewelry segment into small showrooms everywhere, especially in Pune. And then,
Hmm.
gradually, in 2004, we started into gold segment where we started as plain gold item, and then gradually we were specialized in designing and marketing of 22 gold jewelry, which includes
Okay.
chains, necklace, bangles, mangalsutra rings, and many more wedding jewelry. We mainly cater our products to B2B clients like wholesalers and retailers. We outsource our manufacturing product from our skilled karigars and artisans whom we have relations, long-term relations since
Hmm.
decades. Okay, and while we manufacture our products with our karigars, we maintain a strict quality control of our products. We are located in Zaveri Bazaar, Mumbai,
Okay.
which is
Okay.
also known as India's gold hub.
Absolutely. So I just wanted to also know what's the main reason behind launching the IPO right now? Why now?
uh, yes, expansion, you can say expansion of business. So we are looking to prioritize our expansion, geographical expansions into within India and internationally also. With the
Hmm.
capital raised through IPO, we would like to accelerate our growth by targeting new markets, particularly where there is high demand of our products, and we
Hmm.
want to introduce new products as per demand with market trends.
All right. So as you mentioned about Zaveri Bazaar has thousands of jewelry dealers. What sets Divine Hira apart from its competitors?
Our design innovations, strong vendor network,
Hmm.
customer focused approach. This all things set apart from our competitors. With years of experience, we have
Hmm.
earned reputation of trust in market. Our jewelry is made with high quality, and we offer variety of products. We
Hmm.
have a perfect combination of modern and traditional designs. We ensure complete transparency in pricing. We offer best rates to our customers. This all things help us to build long term relationships with our
Hmm.
customers. Due to this, we get repetitive orders from the same customers. We provide
Correct.
individual attention to each customers. So this all things help us differentiate from our competitors.
Great. So now let's also talk about the financials of the company. How was the recent performance for the company? Anything you would like to add?
The company financials are pretty good. Our revenue and our profit margins have increased year on year. Okay, we
Hmm.
are adding new clients every year. We are more focused on jewelry sales, which have higher margins. These high margin products, which we believe, will help
Hmm.
us to build strong profitability in the long run.
Right. Now let's also discuss the type of jewelry you're involved in. As you mentioned, you are mainly B2B. Do you also manufacture the jewelry in-house? And if not, are there any plans to establish a proper in-house manufacturing setup?
Uh, Currently, we do not have any manufacturing in house. Our primary focus is on our expanding B2B business, where we
Hmm.
like to add more clients, more customers. We want to grow and make our presence in different states like Karnataka, Delhi,
Hmm.
Gujarat, and also we want to start exports internationally. However,
Hmm.
in the future, we do have plans to develop our in-house manufacturing unit as per our long-term growth strategy.
Right. So, talking a little bit more about future plans, what about showroom expansion? And is the company looking to enter B2C as well, or it will be only B2B model for now?
For now, our primary focus will remains on B2B model, expanding our
Hmm.
network of wholesalers, retailers, corporate clients across India and international markets. We
Hmm.
aim to strengthen our presence in new states and want to grow through strategic partnerships with participation in various exhibitions. However, as we scale, we may evaluate the
Hmm.
possibility of opening our showrooms in the future, depending on
Hmm.
market demands and business growth opportunities.
All right. So, Divine Hira has quite a marginal employee strength. How is the company planning to manage the operations once, things get big? Are there any plans to increase the strength as well?
Our business model, our mainly business model is B2B, and
Right.
we are outsourcing our manufacturing process with third party, which this all allow us to operate with quite marginal employee strength.
Hmm.
Since we collaborate with third party manufacturers on a labor job basis, we do not
Hmm.
require extensive in-house team for production, but we intend to increase our bandwidth of employees as our workload increases. Yes,
Hmm.
as we expand post IPO, we will strategically grow our team to support our business growth. Yes.
All right. Now let's come to the main part, which is talking about the IPO. What are your expectations from the IPO and how will the proceeds be used?
See, objects of the IPO are basically we are looking for fund, for working capital
Hmm.
requirements. Around 19
Okay.
crores will be utilized for working capital requirements. There are certain loans or 3 crore certain loans we want to repay them, and
Hmm.
general corporate purposes, six crores will be some for use for general corporate purposes, and rest will be used for issue expenses.
All right. So, in the last leg of our session today, I also want to discuss something about the retail investors. So, some investors have previously lost their money in SME IPOs. Now, most of them are quite doubtful about the nature of SME IPOs. What will be your response to such suspicious investors, and how would you address concerns from doubtful investors and assure them that your IPO is a fair and transparent effort to raise funds for growth?
In today's time, the SME companies have a significant important role in our economy.
Hmm.
It's natural for investors to be cautious, but every IPO is unique. We at the
Right.
Divine Hira Jewelers have built our business on trust, transparency, and quality values that reflects in our IPO as well. Okay, we
Hmm.
have a strong financial track record, our clear growth vision, and a commitment to ethical business practices. Our pricing is fair and we are fully compliant with regulations. Investors should always focus on fundamentals, and we welcome them to be a part of our journey as we scale Divine Era Jewelers to new heights.
All right. Well, this marks the end of our segment today. Wishing you all the best for the IPO. Thank you so much, Neeraj, for joining us today on ET Markets.
Thank you, Nihal, for the pleasure. Thank you so much.
Same here. Thank you so much.
Yeah.